Okay, so here it says convert the following angles into an radian. So I will going to solve fourth one. ठीक है, fourth one मैं करता हूँ. Fourth one क्या बोल रहा है? 65 degree, 65 degree and 30 minutes. Now I want to convert this into radian. Okay, I want to convert this into radian. So first of all, I need to convert this minute into degree. How to convert this minute into degree? 1 degree is 60 minute. So 30 minute will be how much degree? So this question mark is cross multiply you do. So 30 upon 60. 0, 0, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means 0.5, 0.5 degree. So 65 degree plus 0.5 degree will give you 65.5 degree. Okay, now 65.5 degree I need to convert into radian. So I don't know what is the radian, but I know one thing, what? That 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 65.5 degree will be how many radian? So I will going to cross multiply over here. So x will be what? 65.5 into pi divided by 180. When you solve this, you will get answer 131 pi upon 360. So this is your answer. Okay. Okay. Fifth one is homework. Now sixth one I will going to do. Okay. Here it says 40 degree 48 minutes. I want to convert this into radian. So first let's convert this 48 minute into radian. How to convert? 48 divided by 60. This will give you degree. Now you need to add this. Okay, so this will be 12. 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 5 4 ja 20, 200, then 4. So this will be 204 upon 5 degree. Okay, this degree I want to convert into radian. So how to convert? 204 upon 5 into pi upon 180. Okay, now this when you solve further, you will get 17 pi by 75 radian. Is this radian is important to write? Okay, it's done. Understood? Now here it says in a right angle triangle. So what is my first job? My first job is to draw a right angle triangle. That's most important. Then it says in a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. ठीक है, ये 90 degree. The acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. मतलब ये हो गया 4x और ये हो गया 5x. Find the angles of triangles in radian and degree. Okay, so by angle sum property, I know 90 plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. So 4x plus 5x will be 9x. 9x is equal to 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. So the value of x is 10. So if the value of x is 10, this particular angle, one angle will be 4 into 10, that is 40 degree. Okay, and this 40 degree I need to convert into radian. How? 40 pi upon 180. So this 0 0 cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. So I will get 2 pi by 9. This is radian. 40 degree is this, and 2 pi by 9 radian is this. Now second angle is 5x. So 5 into 10, that is 50 degree. This is again 50 pi upon 180. 0 0 cancel. So 5 pi by 18 radian. Okay, this is the second acute angle. Find the angles of a triangle in radian. Okay, third angle is 90 degree. Third angle is 90 degree. How to convert that into radian? 90 into pi upon 180. 0 0 cancel. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja. So pi by 2 radian. So the angles of a triangle in degree is 40 degree, 50 degree and 90 degree. and in radian is 2 pi by 9 radian, 5 pi by 18 radian, and pi by 2 radian. Understood? So here it says the sum of two angles is 5 pi radian. It means I have two angles, say first angle is 1 and second angle is 2. The sum of these two angles is 5 pi radian. Okay, and their difference is 60. Difference means angle 1 minus angle 2, that is your 60 degree. Okay, so this is 60 degree. Now 60 degree I can convert into radian by multiplying by pi by 180. 0 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6 3 ja, it is pi by 3 radian, and 5 pi radian in degree will be 5 into 180 degree, that comes out to 900 degree. Okay, so I have equation number 1 and equation number 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 900, and angle 1 minus angle 2 is 60 degree. So I will going to add these two, add. So when I add these two, what I'll get, this will get cancelled, and I will get 2 angle 1 is equal to 960. So angle 1 will be 960 divided by 2, that is 480. 480. Angle 1 is 480, and angle 2 will be 900 minus minus 480. That comes to 420. This is the angle. Understood? Question number 8 is done. Fine. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, so I have drawn this cyclic quadrilateral. ये समझो ये A है, A, B, C and D. Now two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3. Okay, so I will call one as 40 degree. Say I am calling this as 40 degree, and adjacent angle I am calling this as, say, pi by 3. Pi by 3, which is nothing but 60 degree. Now find the angles of a quadrilateral in degree. It's so easy. I know angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? It's a property of cyclic quadrilateral. So angle A will be what? 180 minus angle C, which is 60 degree. So angle A comes out to your 120 degree. Similarly, angle D will be 180 minus angle B, which is 40 degree. So that comes out to 140 degree. So find the angles of a quadrilateral in degree. So one is 60, one is 30, second is 60, third is 120, and fourth is 140. Understood? Okay, find the degree and radian measure of exterior and interior angles of regular octagon. Okay, so I need to draw the octagon. So I will going to assume that this is my octagon. It is not octagon, but you please assume that this is a octagon. Okay, because I don't have a shape here to draw the exact octagon. So what I'll do, I will just make here as rough. Okay, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then something like that. Okay, total number of sides are what? Total number of sides is 8 in case of octagon. Okay, so what will be your exterior angle? This is your exterior angle. So exterior angle will be what? Exterior angle will be 360 upon total number of sides. So 360 divided by 8, that comes out to your 45 degree. So 45 degree is exterior angle. Okay, now what is the equivalent of in radian 45 degree? So 45 pi upon 180 degree. So that will comes out to be pi by 4. So pi by 4 radian is equivalent of 45 degree. Okay, so exterior angle is done. What about interior angle? So this interior angle, this is called interior angle. What will be the interior angle? Interior angle is 180 degree minus 45 degree. Okay, 180 minus 45. So that comes out to be 145 degree. Okay, no, not 145, 135 degree. Okay, 135 degree. Now this 135 degree you need to convert into radian. How you going to convert? 135 into pi upon 180. When you solve this, you will get 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 radian. This is for octagon. Now pentagon, hexagon, septagon, you have to try of your own.